Welcome to Playing with Technology, a learning experience. This series was funded by the Connecticut Office of Early Childhood through the Governor's Education Emergency Relief Fund. This presentation was created by Adrina Paolillo, the Assistant Director of Early Childhood Education at Learn Regional Educational Service Center, and presented by Pamela Santerre, Learn's Coordinator of Educational Technology Integration. This video aims to equip parents and caregivers with a comprehensive understanding of play-based learning in early childhood education and its benefits for preschoolers. You will learn how digital tasks can promote critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity when incorporated into play-based activities. This session will also provide guidelines and resources for selecting age-appropriate digital content to enhance play-based learning experiences. Furthermore, you will acquire practical strategies for integrating digital tasks into playful activities at home while maintaining a balance between digital and non-digital play. The importance of parental engagement and collaboration in fostering a supportive learning environment will also be emphasized, highlighting the significant role parents play in their child's education. By the end of this session, parents and caregivers will be well equipped to create a nurturing environment that combines digital tasks and play-based learning to promote your preschooler's overall development. Play-based learning is an approach to early childhood education that involves children actively exploring, experimenting, and engaging in self-directed activities. It emphasizes the importance of playful experiences as a means to develop cognitive, social, emotional, and physical skills. Play-based learning has been shown to provide various benefits for young children. It stimulates children's natural curiosity and motivation to learn, fostering a love for lifelong learning. Moreover, it encourages creativity and problem-solving skills by offering opportunities for exploration and experimentation, allowing children to develop innovative solutions to problems. Play-based learning also enhances social and emotional development, promoting collaboration and communication skills with peers. Finally, it supports cognitive development by providing hands-on experiences that stimulate critical thinking, leading to deeper understanding and improved learning outcomes. In summary, play-based learning contributes significantly to a child's overall growth and development, preparing them for future academic and personal success. Technology and digital tools provide children with opportunities to engage in open-ended exploration, fostering critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Interactive games, virtual manipulatives, and digital art platforms encourage children to experiment, ask questions, and develop innovative solutions to problems. This hands-on experience with technology helps children become more comfortable with trial and error, an essential component of creativity and problem solving. Educational technology can be used to promote motor development as children practice hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills while interacting with touchscreens, keyboards, or other input devices. Technology can also facilitate movement-based learning, such as dancing or playing interactive games that involve gross motor skills. By providing engaging, age-appropriate activities, digital tools can support motor development in a fun and dynamic way. Digital tools can help children build social and emotional skills by fostering collaboration, communication, and empathy. Through collaborative online games or digital storytelling platforms, children can develop their ability to share, take turns, and express their thoughts and emotions. Virtual playdates and video chats can also provide opportunities for children to connect with peers, develop empathy, and learn about emotions and relationships. Technology can support cognitive development by providing children with opportunities to engage in activities that promote memory, attention, language, and reasoning skills. Research shows that technology-enhanced learning experiences can improve children's language comprehension, phonological awareness, and literacy skills. Additionally, technology can provide exposure to diverse perspectives and cultures, fostering global awareness and critical thinking skills essential for cognitive growth. In the next section of this video, we'll explore some technology activities to support play-based learning. Interactive math manipulatives are digital tools designed to help young children, including preschoolers, understanding math concepts in a fun, hands-on, and engaging way. These tools can include digital counting bears, shape sorters, number matching games, pattern blocks, and virtual counting books. Counting bears and number matching games help preschoolers develop their early counting skills and recognizing numbers. Shape sorters and pattern blocks introduce young children to geometric shapes and colors, promoting their spatial reasoning abilities and creativity. Virtual counting books make learning numbers exciting by combining storytelling with engaging visuals. Play-based learning and coding can be effectively integrated to provide young children with a fun and engaging way to learn basic coding concepts. This approach combines the benefits of play-based learning, such as fostering creativity, problem-solving, and critical thinking, with the foundational skills of coding. Coding for preschoolers is a fun and simple way to teach young children the basics of computer programming. By using games, stories, and hands-on activities, preschoolers can learn the building blocks of coding without needing to read or write complex code. To make coding easy for young learners, visual tools like blocks, symbols, or pictures are used. Preschoolers can move these elements around to create simple instructions and commands. This encourages them to be creative and develops their problem-solving skills, while also teaching them how to communicate with technology in a way that's easy to understand. The main goal of teaching coding to preschoolers isn't to make them expert coders right away. Instead, it helps them develop problem-solving abilities, logical thinking, and creativity. By introducing coding at an early age, children can also become more interested in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics as they grow older. Digital storytelling enables young storytellers to explore their imagination while enhancing problem-solving skills and communication abilities. Children can create digital storybooks, design stop-motion animations, record short films, or craft multimedia presentations to bring their stories to life. This modern approach to storytelling not only nurtures creativity, but also fosters digital literacy and confidence in using technology for creative expression. In the next section, we'll explore supporting play-based learning as a parent or caregiver. Recognizing the significance of parental involvement and collaboration in fostering a supportive learning environment is essential when integrating technology and play-based learning. Parents who actively participate in their children's learning can enhance the experience by selecting appropriate digital tools, balancing digital and non-digital play, modeling responsible technology use, and supporting learning at home. Consequently, parental involvement contributes to a dynamic and nurturing environment that promotes children's overall development and learning success. Achieving a balance between digital and non-digital play is crucial for children's overall development. By setting screen time limits, creating tech-free zones, prioritizing outdoor play, encouraging imaginative play, participating in non-digital family activities, engaging in hands-on learning, and monitoring digital content, parents and caregivers can ensure a healthy mix of play experiences. These strategies promote physical activity, social interaction, creativity, and cognitive development while fostering a positive relationship with technology. We will end this video by sharing some digital tools and resources for integrating technology into play-based learning. For coding, Scratch Junior is an introductory programming language and platform designed for young children to create their own interactive stories and games. Scratch Junior helps children learn coding concepts and develop problem-solving skills while fostering creativity and self-expression. Here are a few key features of Scratch Junior. It's a simple, block-based program interface that is easy for young children to understand and use. Color-coded blocks that represent different actions, such as movement, sound, and control structures. A wide variety of characters, backgrounds, and props help children bring their stories and games to life. The ability to record sounds and voices add an extra layer of interactivity. A built-in tutorial and guided activities help children learn the basics of coding. The option to save, share, and import projects within the Scratch Junior community. By using Scratch Junior, children are introduced to the world of coding in an engaging and age-appropriate way, building a strong foundation for future learning and exploration in computer science and digital literacy. PBS Kids is a great resource for interactive storytelling. PBS Kids provides a variety of storytelling games that allow children to create their own stories, act out scenes with virtual puppets, and explore different characters and settings. The website offers a collection of online storybooks based on popular PBS Kids shows, featuring read-aloud narration, animation, and interactive elements to engage young readers. PBS Kids provides printable resources and activities that encourage storytelling, such as storyboard templates, character cutouts, and writing prompts. Children can watch episodes and clips of their favorite PBS Kids shows, which often feature engaging stories and narratives to inspire young storytellers. And finally, PBS also offers articles, tips, and recommendations for parents and educators on how to support storytelling and literacy development at home or in the classroom. Toy Theater is a great resource for virtual manipulatives. These virtual bear counters are an excellent tool for helping young children visualize and practice basic math concepts, such as addition, subtraction, numeracy, and place value. A number frame is a grid or frame with a specific number of boxes or spaces, usually arranged in rows and columns. Children can fill in the boxes with counters, drawings, or marks to represent numbers, practice counting, or work on addition and subtraction. Number frames come in different sizes and can be used to practice numbers up to 10, 20, or beyond. A 10 frame is a specific type of number frame that has 10 evenly spaced boxes or spaces arranged in 2 rows of 5. 10 frames are often used to help children develop an understanding of numbers within 10, practice counting, visualize number bonds, and build a strong foundation for addition and subtraction. Both number frames and 10 frames are versatile tools that can be used in various ways to support math learning, such as in games, worksheets, and hands-on activities. They provide a visual representation of numbers and help children develop their understanding of number relationships and mathematical concepts. Here's a few tips on how you can use these virtual manipulatives. For children ages 3 to 4, they are typically just beginning to explore numbers and counting. You can introduce simple number frames with small quantities, such as 1 to 5, and encourage them to count and place counters or draw pictures to represent numbers. 10 frames can also be used for simple counting activities. As children become more comfortable with counting and recognizing numbers, you can use number frames to introduce addition and subtraction within 10. 10 frames are especially useful for practicing number bonds and understanding the relationship between numbers within 10. Here are a few resources for you on play-based learning. The Power of Play is a research summary on play and learning from the Minnesota Children's Museum. Technology and Interactive Media as Tools in Early Childhood Programs is a position statement from the National Association for the Education of Young Children and the Fred Rogers Center for Early Learning and Children's Media at St. Vincent's College. Children and Screens is a resource from the Institute of Digital Media and Child Development that answers compelling questions about media's impact on child development through interdisciplinary dialogue, objective scientific research, and information sharing. And finally, The Power of Playful Learning in the Early Childhood Setting is a resource from the National Association for Education of Young Children that provides a framework for playful learning. The links to all of these resources are on the screen.